Hey everybody, this is Gerald out here again, OPD. We are here at the burn house again. As you can see in the background, we're making a little leeway. Actually started on the tile, getting the cabinets today. I'm gonna show you a little footage of me picking up the cabinets and getting them here. A lot of these things I do myself because I only do so many projects a year, so it makes no sense for me to have people, picking up stuff for me. That way I can try to keep the price as good and as fair and equitable for the client as I can, and at the same time make some money. But let's walk through here. I'm gonna show you where we are. We got some of the tiles done, but we'll check this out. So as we walk through, you're gonna see some of the things are still the same, that we have not changed. Okay, that's my little hand truck that I'm getting ready to take with me. I have to get some more tile. So, like I said, we went ahead and decided to change the windows, just waiting on the windows to come in. So all the closet doors, as you can see, like that window don't close very well. All the doors has been cleaned. Let me show you the job that my plumber did on the repairing the floor. And we're gonna have to smooth out that right there. Probably just because he knows it's going under the cabinets. So you can see part of the bathroom there. We're gonna walk through and look at some other things here. I don't know if I mentioned, but we did finally go ahead and get the insulation blown in. So let's see. Did he put the sticks for the insulation? No, I gotta find out about that. As you can see, I'm getting ready to go pick up the bandages too. There's more tile there, but this is started on the back end of the wall there. So we're making progress. It looks good. We're gonna have another border in here. So, all right, this is Gerald with OBD. We're gonna go ahead and, like I said, we're gonna pick back up. I'm gonna be picking up the cabinets. Okay? See you then. Y'all be safe. Subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have anything that you're interested in, go ahead and drop it in the comments. And ring the bell so you can see the next videos coming up. Alright? Y'all be blessed now. You take care. Bye. Hey everyone, Gerald here again. Apologize, I completely forgot to record when I was picking up the cabinets. But you can see we have them here. We're going to go ahead and start taking them in. So you can watch what we're doing. I've already took the straps off, so we're gonna go ahead and start taking this stuff in. I have to get my dolly and we're gonna get going. As you all can see, this is, as you can see my trailer, this is the old trailer that I've had. It actually folds up and goes into my garage. So you can see my makeshift stuff that I've added on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and set you up while I continue to take this down. So I'm gonna walk you through and I'm gonna show you what I did with everything. There's some over there. Those are the the wall cabinets. I'm gonna put them into the kitchen, but I just set them down. There's the walls over there. That's another wall, and that's a wall. This base, this big one in the middle, this is the base for the kitchen sink. That's actually gonna go under the window. I set that in here because that's the only cabinet that does not have cabinets above it. Because if you've never installed cabinets before, what you do is, I know I'm sweating, generally what you do is install the upper cabinets first. So you're gonna put all the cabinets up here on the wall first. Then once you do those, you come back and you put in the base cabinets. All right. Let me show you what the layout looks like, so you can see what the layout looks like before they're actually installed. So take a look at this. Okay, here is the paperwork. All right, so hopefully you can see that. This is the actual layout. You see the base, that's the base. These are the walls. And these are the walls. And the base here. And then you just have a wall over there. Alrighty. So you can see what the layout looks like. And then once we get finished, then you can see the finished look. Okay? Alright, everybody. And oh yeah, and by the way, those are the other cabinets that's over there. I put them in the living room. So if you have any questions, if you're not sure of something, hit me up, subscribe, send me a notification, and turn on your notification. And also, if you have any questions, or if you have any thoughts, just let me know. And as you see, I do work. I know it may look like sometimes I don't work like all the time. The only thing I'm doing is shopping, but I do sweat sometimes. So, but this is Gerald with OBD. Y'all have a blessed day. I look forward to seeing you on the other video. Y'all take care now. Bye.